Hello and welcome everyone. This is Ahmed Kabir. I'm an enterprise architect and a fractional CTO. This video is part of our ATS Career Up Academy initiatives. One point I would like to make clear is AI alone is not enough to get a job nowadays. You need to be a full stack expert. You need to know front end, back end, and middle tier as well as AI. Let us talk about which databases should you learn and use in 2026 and beyond, and how to try it locally. That is also very important. This video is for beginners, developers, and architects. Compare three common databases, and I suggest you to get expertise on all of them one by one at a time. MySQL is the first database we are going to talk about. It is very common and it is very much used in WordPress, WooCommerce, and systems like that. It is best for the simple CRUD applications, CMS, e-commerce, and startups needing a quick setup. MySQL is very easy. The negatives are about the MySQL is it has limited JSON support. It has weaker advanced SQL features. However, it is being used for a long time, and you can try it by installing locally. Or you can even use a Docker container also. How to get MySQL? You can download the MySQL Community Edition. It is free, and download and install the Community Edition. You need some kind of a client to interact with the server. There you can use MySQL Workbench. And your regular Visual Studio Code also you can use with some MySQL extensions. If you try the Workbench, it may not work with the higher versions of MySQL 8.4 and above. Then better try Visual Studio Code with the extension in such scenarios. This is the download page. Download this MySQL GPL. Now let us move to PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is an advanced powerhouse compared to MySQL. It has enterprise grade data integrity. It has advanced indexing, joins, and the native JSONB features of PostgreSQL is very interesting. And it is best for financial system, SaaS platforms, analytics heavy apps, and microservices needing strict consistency. There is a slightly steeper learning curve compared to MySQL on this. How to get the PostgreSQL? You can download it from PostgreSQL.org. You download and install the server. It comes with a client installation. pgadmin client also will be installed. You can use that pgadmin client to connect to the server. You can use Visual Studio Code as well with the extension. This is a download page for PostgreSQL. Download the version based on your operating system. And this is the pgadmin tool I was talking about. We will discuss about MongoDB and continue with further comparison in part 2 of this video. There we will give you the Docker commands for installing the databases in a Docker container as well. And as I mentioned earlier, AI alone is not enough to get a job. You need to be a full stack expert. Thank you everyone.